Hello everyone. I received requests from everyone that you wanted me to make my chicken roast, which was pure protein thing, to share my recipe with you guys. So keep watching. From office, and this is all me time at home, and I will just share my recipe with you. That it's very simple, and even when you come back from your office and your work, you can make it just like that. The ingredients which we are going to use for this recipe are going to be chicken, curd. You need some masala. It's a chicken tikka masala. It's available in the market. And then we need some oil, and for this I'm going to use this special one, the Dalda Kalonji canola. You're going to need some vinegar, and lastly moti kuti hui mirch. Barbecue masala already has some spice in it, but because I like my pieces more spicy, hence I use chili flakes in that. Put slits on our chicken pieces so that the masala which we put on it incorporates in. So I'm going to put 3 slits here, and then I also put 3 slits here. 1, 2 and 3. The first step is going to be putting the chicken tikka masala on your pieces and making sure that it reaches everywhere. Use it generously. Next is going to be 2 tablespoons of your vinegar and 2 to 3 tablespoons of your curd. Just because I like mine a little more spicy, so I'll be adding the chili flakes. Now for this step you have to be a little messy. You need very clean hands for this, and you have to dig in with your own hands to make sure that the mixture reaches each and every part of your. This is what it should look like, and now it's all ready. We are going to leave it for 2 good hours and let it marinate, and then we are going to bake it. Placing it on my grill right after 2 hours to bake it finally. Right, the chicken is inside the oven. I do not preheat it. It's on 200 degrees, and I turn both the rods on, and it's going to be in there for 25 to 30 minutes. Well, now that we have time, we can look at this recipe book which I got along with this oil, and it has some really interesting recipes which I am certainly going to try later. There's something interesting about this oil. It says Kalonji canola. Like, it's really interesting. So I searched a little bit and I found really good reviews about it on internet. And you know, Kalonji जो कि हम normally lives में use भी करते हैं, and my mother is a great fan of Kalonji big time, and she believes कि इसमें antioxidants तो होते ही होते हैं. आपका कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल लो रखता है, आपकी इन्फ्लेमेशन वगैरह से बचाए रखता है बॉडी को. मज़े की बात यह है कि सम पीपल हैव लिवर इश्यूज, और ऑयल उनको स्पेशली मना होते हैं, फैटी लिवर एट्सेट्रा. तो यू नो, कलौंजी इज़ गुड फॉर दैट टू. स्टमक अल्सर्स को प्रिवेंट करता है, बैक्टीरिया को किल करता है. एस्मेटिक पेशेंट्स जो हैं, जिनको एस्मा का प्रॉब्लम है, उनके लिए हेल्पफुल है. तो आई थिंक कलौंजी इज़ गुड. Well, the box here says that it contains vitamin A, D and E. 30 minutes, this is what your chicken pieces should look like. There's just one last step and then we are done. Ideally, you should be doing it with a brush, but I am just going to drizzle a little oil on top of my pieces, just like this, to give it a golden brown color. And then I'll change their sides and do the same. A little bit of oil on both sides. This side is done. Time to pop it back into oven. This is how I make my protein dinner. आप लोग अपने प्रोटीन लंचेस और डिनर्स किस तरह बनाते हैं वो मेरे साथ शेयर करें, और आप लोग अपनी कम्युनिटी का ख्याल किस तरह रखते हैं वो भी मेरे साथ शेयर करें. वीडियोस बनाएं एंड लेट्स मेक इट अ कंपटीशन. और जिनकी बेस्ट वीडियोस होंगी, आई शेयर देम ऑन माय स्टोरी, एंड दे आर गोइंग टू विन अ गिफ्ट हैम्पर. द फाइनल स्टेप.